Good morning, everybody. So I just got up, had a bit of a light snack, and I thought I might take you guys around with me today because it is Saturday. We're off today, and Sho and I are going to get brunch at our favorite vegan little place next to the house. I'm going to take you guys around today. Ooh, and I'm so sorry, my hair is a bit of a... I'm gonna have to... See, I just woke up. So here we are in one of our favorite vegan brunch places. I ordered a black Americano and Sho got a golden milk, which is also known as a turmeric latte. And Sho's super excited because this is just one of our favorite places to go when we have a day off. Our drinks always come with these little coconut cookies that are just the best to munch on while we wait for our food. Our food came, and today I ordered a blueberry scone with jam and coconut yogurt. And Sho ordered a kale pesto sandwich with roasted sweet potatoes and maple roasted pumpkin seeds. You see, Sho likes to try something new every time we go, and I like to stick to my favorite, which is this blueberry scone. I get it just about every time, but I love trying Sho's new food, and I always pick at his plate. And I have to say, this open-face kale sandwich was delicious. Needless to say, my scone was absolutely delicious. I love to spread on a generous layer of coconut yogurt and top it off with fresh blueberry jam. And since it was a free day, I decided to challenge myself with a raw piece of ginger inside the turmeric latte.
Here we go. Ouch. Ouch, ouch. Ouch. Why?
So this was completely just for fun, and I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to eat an entire chunk of raw ginger, but I thought, you know, ginger's good for you, so how bad can it be? And it was pretty bad, so I don't recommend it, guys. And now we are at the electronics store at the game section, looking for a new video game that Sho wants to buy. And it looks like he found it. Hi. What are you doing?
Waiting for the movie.
What are we gonna see today?
Maze Runner.
Maze Runner! What do I say? It's kind of scary, so I don't know. It was either Paddington Bear or the Maze Runner, and we both picked Maze Runner. Hello, so we just got home. And I'm preparing to cook dinner now, and Sho is gonna play his video game, and he wants to show you what he got. Can you show us what you got? Oop. No, you're fine, you're fine. What is it?
It's a Monster Hunter.
I'm going to be making some, well, tofu steak, I guess. And now the tofu is just draining underneath this new pan that we bought. And it's like a grill pan. So now we can make food with grill marks. How awesome is that? Okay, I'm gonna go shower, and then when I come back, we're gonna cook. 10 o'clock and we're going to eat dinner now because the movie finished really late. And what do we have here? We've got some rice, some tofu steak, and what's this, Mom?
Stir-fried veggies.
Yes.
Made by Coco.
Not very good. And we have some side dishes of kimchi, cucumber, and marinated cucumber. So we're gonna eat now because we're starving and tired. Let's eat. Hey guys, now I have just been kind of sitting at my desk. I was working a little bit on some vlog videos, some things with the blog, and now I am just, I've already gotten ready for bed, and I'm just kind of like journaling a little bit. I'm incredibly thankful, and yeah, so I like to write those things down, and maybe quotes that inspire me or words. I have this like Pinterest board filled with like really inspiring quotes that I love adding to. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go to bed now. My eyes are starting to close and I'm looking very, very sleepy. And thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys found it interesting, and I will see you guys all very, very soon. Good night.